okuruga omuri Kabare district babuganire omusiti ya Fortportal bakatanise n'abakuru kuruga Poliisi okuruga omuri Renzori East hariboma okubasa kuhanura aha kureeba ebintu ebikubateganisa omukora emirimo yabo na munonga Poliisi okweri kubanisha abasente ahari yabo abantu abakuba bakwenda kwatabo abatakashashwire. Urukiko rwizire ahabwire obuharugire kubaho ekikorwa cyo bwinazi omuri Kampala aho umupolisi omanyirenka wabwire Ivan yakwasire embundu akatera omuhindi amasasi akamwita kandi ogwa kabali manerenda.
Those who give loans and all that. So we are aiming at reducing cases of killings.
Ori komanda owa Renzori West Noman Musinga agirengo urukiko rugenderire kureba ngo rwabasakwiyaho obwitane hamwe na n'entongane eziri hagati y'aba money lenders hamwe n'abapolisi.
And in case you have such a similar problem, this is what she's telling you about. If you are confronted by such a problem, an officer has come into a financial institution, is putting on uniform, is causing stampede. How do you manage this officer?
Omwe ahari ba money lenders ahireyo kwetombwita ariko reka ngo abapolisi obwiro bw'injini banga okubayamba bakugenda kubanja sente zabo kandi nikibagumira abari kugira ngo abapolisi obwiro bw'injini babanza bagira ngo babashashure sente batakagire gukora kandi sente zazo zitariho banga gukora.
Ntukimanyage wege mshangire sivu afana kuko mugira uti umuntu nimbanje metwari ikumi mazimateko za kuzamu koti nishashura yabiri imwe n'umwendi ikumi tugasha hashimba natunga ngwino nyenda ngo okisi preferring tugiro kutwa fixing intwaro yangi ikumi egaje nshimikabo akujyato tinguza
ariko ngeraho agizire ngo abapolisi nibaba bine ebiniga otireho na no kushanga ngo nibetwaza kubikiretera sente z'abantu aba bahendera batazishashwire
umuki mugambara ureba yarugumumbera sometimes umureka kugira ngo otsigaza amagara kunkana y'umutashimiri mwene n'abaserikali bandi afranta nabahamwe tubatiyambere umuri bageze babo
umukugaruka mebi eby'abapolisi okwanga gukora emirimo. Ivan Muhesi agiye ngo hariho ebiragiro ebibashemerire kukoresa kwenda kutunga sente zabo na no kuranga abapolisi bagumane bakora.
Let me tell you why the police officers are dodging you. There is the law of equity, that when you want fairness, you must come with clean hands. Are you getting me?
Nomani Musinga or Regional Police Commander owa Renzori West ahabwire ba money lenders okuguma nibaza aha polisi bakahayo kwetombwitwa kwabo okugira ngo base kureba okuba kubasa kukoragana kurungi omirimeji.
And you feel really you need some protection. Let us be in the know. That's why we are forming up that group very fast.
Ondijo manerenda we ahijire bagenzi be okufayo ahanyetwaza yabo okubari gukora hamwe na nemirimo ari kugira ngo abantu abamwe nibanga kwikiriza ngo nabandi nibabasa gukora ekibari gukora.
Let us not be so arrogant to our clients. Secondly, let us have healthy competition. Because when we are giving out loans, we want to make money and we want to safeguard our monies. Let us do due diligence and have healthy competition.
Amakuru gagasha kwa Justin Nyakaisiki omuri Fortportal.